What's up, guys? We're here with a video, but we're on my cousin's tablet, and she has a YouTube channel. Look, if you want, you can go over here. If you're at my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it if you want. You can subscribe to it. Look at it. You can subscribe to it if you want. You can also subscribe to her YouTube channel if you're already in my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make another video on my YouTube channel to subscribe to her. And if you want to subscribe to me, you can. If you don't, you don't really have to. But I prefer that you do, because I really need subscribers to pass her up. But bye.
Wait, I want